Nĩ hĩndĩ ya mũthafara ũyũ mwena wa Tononoka kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha wa gũkũngũĩra mũthĩ wa ciana iria ikoragwo na mũmbĩre wa cerebral palsy. Andũ arĩa mena thĩna ũyũ makiuga mamwe ma mathĩna marĩa magereire nĩ gũthutũkanio nĩ mũingĩ oro hamwe na mathĩna ma ũritũ wa kũrera ciana ici.
Siku ya leo ni kuambia jamii sisi pia ni binadamu kama watu wengine na tunataka kupewa upendo.
Watoto kila mara huwa wagonjwa na ni lazima wafanyiwe matibabu hospitali. Na ukifika hospitali lazima utaitishwa pesa. Maroiga aingĩ ao nĩ mathomete na kĩrĩa marabatara nĩ kũhĩmbĩrio na kwendwo ta andũ arĩa angĩ.
Kama watu wengine tumesoma tuwafanya kazi.
Hao watu wanakuwa na uwezo na tuwachukulia kama vile wanadamu wengine.
We need to do a robust disability assessment. And number 2, we need to do robust disability mapping so that we can know the number of persons with disability and the type or kind of disability that we have.
Marathi na mbere na kuruta ritana kuri muingi kumahĩmbĩria oro hamwe na thirikari kumakuruhania mibango-inĩ ya kuhura njeki muingi.
Mara nyingi jamii inatubagua kwa sababu ya tunapozungumza ama tunapotembea ama tunapobebwa.
90% of persons with disability within the Mombasa, Kisumu, Nairobi, they are begging. And they are begging because they don't have something on the table. But then the government can come up with this kind of program or initiative to ensure that they want to empower persons with disability. It will be a very big plus to us.
Na gũkũ thirikari ĩkĩrũgũria mũbango wa Nyota guothe bũrũri-inĩ, maroiga matikuruhanĩtio mũbango-inĩ ũyũ.
The program of Nyota, persons with disability has not been included fully because we as the leaders we have not even been invited so that we can be explained what is in the Nyota and also to see how we can disseminate this information to the persons with disability.
Wito wangu kwa serikali, walemavu kama sisi ambao tunasoma na hali yetu hii, wapewe nafasi, wapewe makazi.
Kwa hiyo tuomba kama tungejengewa shule pia huku Likoni, shule ambayo ni shule bora, sio bora shule. Tuwekewe vifaa hapo ndani ya hiyo shule, tuwekewe therapist, tuwekewe special needs teachers, walimu wenye mahitaji maalum.
Andũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gũkũ Mombatha, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.